This is Matt Lepage with board number 13, showing off the Morse code to fan interface, starting with the number 12. Dit. Oh, it was too fast. Dit. Da. 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 Dit. Dit. Da. 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 So it says 12, temperature under 70, stopping fan, even though it wasn't started in the first place. Next up is 45. Dit. 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 Da. Dit. Dit, 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 dit. 45, still below 70, nothing happening. Now for 67, da, dit, 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 dit. Da, da, dit, dit, dit. 67, below 70, and you see I also have the Morse code actually being printed out here as I read it off. Now for number 78, da, da, dit, dit, dit. Da, 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 dit, dit. And there the fan is now on. It says temperature is 70 or higher, starting fan. Excellent. Let's do 90. Da, 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 dit. Da, 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 da. Yeah, well I actually screwed up that last da, so it looks like I thought it was 90. So just to show off that I can do 0, I'll just do all zeros. Temperature is 0, fan shuts off, and there we have it.